trapping with no rest. Hold up.
In and out special. Bitch, I got a schedule. Get myself together. I would never settle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kilah here, and you already know we're back. And I am with Malia. And we're doing another mukbang and another smoke sesh. Well, we're gonna smoke again after this. So you're gonna see that. We're gonna eat Wendy's. We gotta then we said at the same time. Bro, we already smoked half of the blunts. We just had a little incident. We couldn't get caught, so we dipped. So we saved half the blunt. So we're gonna eat, talk, do little like updates on like our life, what we've been doing, basically like a checkup of like me and Malia type shit, because she's gonna be on my channel often. How you been? I'm been good. How about you, G? Bro, I've been with her for 3 weeks. Yeah, basically. I picked her up and just never brought her back home. Basically family, so I can just stay sometimes. But like, I be with the family. But I'm bringing her home tonight and then picking her up tomorrow. What is today? Saturday, Thursday? This is Saturday. Bro, my phone is Thursday. Bro, she did my nails, bro. Get at her. Look at it. I'm still getting the hang of it, but this is the second set I've done on someone, and I haven't practiced in a while, and they actually turned out pretty good. I was surprised myself. Why do I look like that? Dude, the spicy chicken nuggets here, they slap. They slap, bro. You got me saying slap. When we did our acid trip, and then the cat slapped the camera, and then like she said she slapped, and then your story. Yeah. Did we even make a video of our trip? Yeah, but we didn't finish it. Well, I'm gonna insert a clip. It was supposed to be a video. I didn't even get to finish it, so there was no point of basically posting it. I'm gonna insert a clip of us like off the acid a little bit, because bro, I didn't really record. We was off the shits, but I did take some videos and pictures and shit. We made paintings, but we didn't take a picture all together. Oh, it's a Sour Patch, not Starburst.
And it said begin.
And trip has begun.
Many clown babies now gather and singing their
I wish you guys could see what we're on.
To these noble, peaceful deer dogs.
Dude,
How you doing?
it looks like
They
we're
say in
sinking.
their way. True.
It was a nice trip.
Oh god.
Now I'll do it again. Only we gotta do a
Thumbnail?
thumbnail.
Look at your nails. Period.
I keep on looking at them in the camera. I feel like I got long hands. Bro, do I got long hands?
Why do I have nails on me?
You got the same.
They're about the same.
It's just these nails are wrong. Not used to it. Hot girl summer coming soon. Oh, I've been doing that for 2 months now. I'm doing great. If you guys wanted to know.
I look naked.
Yeah, we both look. We got tube tops.
So I'm wearing sweaters and it's saying they naked.
No. Damn.
Top.
I put it up more. Oh, it needs to go down more. That's better. Why didn't I put it like this? Fuck you. Hey, y'all.
Why you do it like that? You're like.
I'm gonna delete that.
Dang, spicy nuggets in my mouth.
Bro, tell me why I guess I'm possibly allergic to seafood, bro. And I had, I guess, allergic reaction. Remember I did that in the other video? Part 2. If you guys like, no, if you like If you like videos of us together, let me know in the comments below because I'll make more. Go think about more like video ideas. Bro, tell me why. Dude, plugged 3 of these for $5, and then my grinder 15. It's only $20. I put her on, bro. Done it, man. Oh fuck! Here. Shit, and I lost a contact today, so I can only see in this eye. Literally. And the smoke keeps burning this eye with no contact in. The Facebook post where it's like Snapchat is snitching out, and it says like Erica, and then it's like a dude. I know. I was like, swipe up if you want to know how to take it off, and everybody's been swiping. I'm like, what is it? What is it? Like. Oh, look at back. Tyson, fuck us. You done to you.
Fuck that nigga. Ay. Oh, yeah. It's time to mix it up and get your clothes, girl. Nobody tell you that it's over. I want you to know that, girl. You got it. Oh, yeah.
There's so much going on this week, this last whole week.
What's up, guys? Hello, guys.
Hoodies up. Dude, we stink. She said that's why we ran upstairs. Here, hold the door. Oh my god. So we're gonna end the video right here.
So, see y'all next time.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, see you guys. Bye. I know we're high as fuck. I love you.
Let me grab a rest. Hold up, trapping with no rest. Hold up.
In and out special. Bitch, I got a schedule. Get myself together.